In this video, we will explore PHP operators, focusing specifically on comparison operations. We will look at equality, identity, and relational operators. Let's examine equality operators in PHP. There are two main types: loose equality, represented by 2 equals signs, and strict equality, represented by 3 equals signs. The loose equality operator checks for equality after performing type conversions, while the strict equality operator checks for equality without any type conversion. Here are some examples of how loose equality works in PHP. The expression 5 is equal to the string 5 evaluates to true because PHP converts the string to a number before comparing. Similarly, 0 is equal to false, 1 is equal to true, an empty string is equal to 0, and null is equal to false all evaluate to true due to type conversion. When no type conversion is needed, like comparing 5 to 5 or the string hello to the string hello, the operator directly checks for equality. If the values are the same, it returns true. If the values differ, it returns false, as in the case of 10 is equal to 20, or the string a is equal to the string b. Now let's look at strict equality examples. With strict equality, no type conversion occurs. Therefore, if you compare 5 to the string 5, it returns false because they are different types. Similarly, 0 is equal to false, 1 is equal to true, an empty string is equal to 0, and null is equal to false all return false. Strict equality only returns true when both the type and value are the same. So, 5 is equal to 5, the string hello is equal to the string hello, true is equal to true, false is equal to false, and null is equal to null all evaluate to true. Now let's see inequality operators in PHP. Similar to equality operators, there are loose and strict inequality operators. The loose inequality operator, represented by an exclamation mark followed by an equals sign, checks if two values are not equal after type conversion. The strict inequality operator, represented by an exclamation mark and 2 equals signs, checks if two values are not equal in either value or type without any type conversion. Relational operators are used to determine the relationship between two values. The less than operator checks if the left value is smaller than the right value. The greater than operator checks if the left value is larger than the right value. The less than or equal to operator checks if the left value is smaller than or equal to the right value. Finally, the greater than or equal to operator checks if the left value is larger than or equal to the right value. Here are some examples of relational operators in action. For numeric comparisons, 10 is less than 20 is true, 15 is greater than 10 is true, 5 is less than or equal to 5 is true, 8 is greater than or equal to 10 is false, and 25 is less than 15 is false. For string comparisons, apple is less than banana is true, hello is greater than world is false, ABC is less than or equal to ABC is true, Z is greater than or equal to A is true, and the string 10 is less than the string 9 is true. Note that string comparisons are based on lexicographical order. Finally, let's explore the spaceship operator. The spaceship operator performs a three-way comparison, introduced in PHP 7. It returns -1 if the left operand is less than the right operand, 0 if they are equal, and 1 if the left operand is greater than the right operand. This operator is very useful in sorting algorithms. For instance, using the uSort function, you can easily sort an array by comparing elements a and b using the spaceship operator. For string comparisons, apple spaceship banana returns -1, and hello spaceship hello returns 0. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.